Hey guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be teaching you how can you stabilize a unstabilized footage from Adobe Premiere Pro. Okay, so first of all, remember that in stabilizing the footage from the Premiere Pro software, it does not stabilize the footage such like a gimbal or like a gimbal, but it stabilizes a little part from the footage. Okay, so let's begin. But you'll think that I thought to bring a video on my new keyboard and mouse, but I didn't make it because it's like it takes a time to record. But surely I'll bring it tomorrow or within this week. So let's try jump in the video. Okay, so first of all you need to uh, use a footage. So this is the footage without the stabilizer. Okay, so now let's stabilize the footage. Okay, so first of all you need to open the effects control panel. If you don't know how to open it, go to window and you can see the effects panel. Okay, so after that go to the effects panel and type for stabilize. So you can see the warp stabilizer and drag the media footage you want, and after that I'm just going to okay, so next bring the crop stabilizer to the clip. Okay, so you can see like this, and after that scroll down and you can see crop stabilizer. You can see how much time is remaining. So if you have a big footage like from a DSLR cam or like more lengthy video, it will take some time, but I have a very small video, so it's stabilized soon. You can see in the screen stabilizing. Okay, so let's play the clip and see how is the clip. Okay, so you can see like it's kind of like stabilized, but it's not like professionally stabilized because my cam is also not good, and also my camera does not have inbuilt stabilization. So if you are recording from a phone, you can turn on the stabilization, and also if you have a DSLR with inbuilt stabilization in the camera lens, just turn it on and record, and after that come to the edit and use the crop stabilizer and make the clip. Okay, so this is the final result after the warp stabilizer, but it's not very clear. I don't know why, what's the reason. So see the footage of the warp stabilizer.